Okay, good morning everyone. September the 1st, walking the beachfront. Went to Waikea Beach, Mayan Beach, and Mia Beach. It's full of a lot of this. Pretty slow here, not a lot of people. Very surprised. Just left Nha Trang yesterday, got in here, and that place was packed and loaded with people. And this is well, let's see, a glance right now. I see, including in the water and everything, probably 30 people. There's two more getting on a jet ski over there. All right, more later.